Welcome to TE's Dynamic Series Connectors in Minutes. In just a few short minutes, I will share why you will want to use dynamic connectors and why it is the optimal solution for signal and power across many different types of applications. Dynamic is a broad product family that provides connector solutions offering signal and power connectivity in a rugged industrialized package. Dynamic Series is an extensive portfolio offering design flexibility with a complete range of signal and power connections from 3 amps to 100 amps for wire, wire to board, and wire to panel applications. Dynamic has a platform design allowing for use in low signal to high power in multiple position sizes depending on the series. The Dynamic family of connectors provides benefits for common customer problems. The two-piece connector design leads to fast and efficient installation with secure latching and identification marks to prevent mismating. A secure operation assurance with 3 points of contact and an audible locking sound once mated. Vibration and shock resistant and high contact retention to eliminate long application downtimes. A full portfolio of signal and power contacts with different plating options as design requirements change. TE has the engineering expertise to guide you to the right solution for your application. Why is Dynamic different? The contact is made of high conductivity material with 3 points of contact that allows for constant flow of current without interruption. The housing is robust and made to withstand high shock and vibration environments. The full box housing design provides great electrical integrity. The two-piece design leads to secure and fast installation. Heat housings prevent mismating, and there is an audible locking sound when both sides are mated, which provides a positive assurance of proper mating and alignment. Dynamic Series offers a cost advantage over competitive options. The two-piece design, along with low insertion force mating, saves on installation and minimizes downtime for servicing. The reliability and long service life of Dynamic Series connectors translates to low total operating costs. The complete portfolio provides you with flexibility to make changes without redesigning your entire system. Because of its versatility, Dynamic has broad usage across applications for both power and signal. Dynamic Series is designed for use where high density, signal, and power are required. This includes applications like automation controls, motion drives, building and home automation devices, industrial robotics, warehouse automation systems, medical devices, automotive controls and infotainment, and machinery, specifically in the semiconductor space. Dynamic Series is a family of robust and versatile connectors designed for signal and power applications across industries. The 3 points of contact and audible and tactile latching are just some of the many benefits. Dynamic Series was designed to withstand high shock and vibe environments. Additionally, Dynamic Series offers a cost advantage over competitive options because of two important things. The two-piece design and low insertion force mating provides fast installation and minimized downtime. And there are different plating options depending on application requirements. As your designs evolve, you can take advantage of the flexibility of the Dynamic portfolio by moving between the series to find the best solution. For more information or to order samples, please visit te.com and search Dynamic Series.